So are you excited and curious to know what is going on in our city this coming weekend? Do check it out, the list of handpicked events for you here. So the first event is Fall Market happening this Sunday. It's going to be at Queen Street Marketplace featuring over 50 artists. Come and support the handmade art. So the second event is Halloween Hunt happening at Canada Wonderland, and it's going to be from this Friday, September 23rd, run all the way to October 30th on selected night. Come and be amazed at all the Halloween attraction and enjoy the unforgettable thrill. And the third event is Toronto Symphony Orchestra open house and free concert this Saturday to celebrate their 100th anniversary. There's going to be a free door open to free concert and activity for all ages. The fourth event is Mississauga Butter Tart Festival happening this Saturday at Streetville Village Square. You're going to experience the Ontario top tart baker and local bakery. Come and check it out. And the fifth event is the Taste of Iceland happening from Thursday, go all the way to Sunday at the different venue across Toronto. And you're gonna be able to experience the culture, music, food, beverage, art from Iceland. And the sixth event is the Indonesian Food Festival happening this Saturday at Young and Danda Square. Come and experience the food, music, performance, and a lot of activity. And the last event is Pedaling the Park Cycling Tour happening this Saturday. You have to register for this event upfront in order to join the tour, and you will be able to enjoy the leather cycling, but at the same time learn more about the landmark, the beach along the lakeside trail. Are you grateful to live in such a city that seems never sleeping? As for me, I am so grateful. So enjoy this weekend, get out there and explore our city.